Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The Patient Global Assessment assesses a patient's overall perception of their health status related to chronic conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis or systemic lupus erythematosus. It measures disease activity from the patient's perspective, including pain, fatigue, and functional ability. The main purpose is to capture subjective experience and complement clinical and laboratory evaluations in disease management. This tool aids healthcare providers in monitoring treatment effectiveness and making informed decisions regarding patient care. The Patient Global Assessment is primarily indicated for patients with chronic rheumatic diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, and ankylosing spondylitis. It is most useful in clinical contexts requiring the evaluation of overall disease activity from the patient's perspective. This tool aids in monitoring treatment response and guiding therapeutic adjustments. Evidence shows it correlates with clinical and laboratory measures of disease severity and predicts long-term functional outcomes. The Patient Global Assessment is also valuable in clinical trials as a patient-reported outcome measure to assess intervention efficacy. The Patient Global Assessment consists of one item designed to measure the patient's overall perception of their health status or disease activity. The question typically asks the patient to rate their health or disease impact over a specified time period, such as the past week. The response format is a visual analog scale or numeric rating scale, generally ranging from 0 to 100 millimeters or 0 to 10, where 0 indicates no disease activity or impact, and the highest number signifies the worst possible state. To administer, the clinician instructs the patient to mark or select the point on the scale that best represents their current condition. The score is then measured in millimeters or recorded as the numeric value. Interpretation involves comparing the score to established reference values, which may vary by disease context, but lower scores typically indicate better overall patient-perceived health. Scores above 50 millimeters or 5 on a 10-point scale often suggest moderate to severe disease impact and may warrant further clinical evaluation or intervention. Consistent assessments over time facilitate monitoring of disease progression or treatment response. Sensitivity refers to the ability of a test to correctly identify patients who have a specific condition, while specificity denotes the ability to correctly identify those who do not have the condition. In the context of Patient Global Assessment, sensitivity measures how effectively the assessment detects patients experiencing active disease or symptom exacerbation. Specificity measures how accurately it excludes patients who are in remission or have minimal disease activity. Empirical studies report that the sensitivity of Patient Global Assessment in detecting active disease ranges from 70 to 85%. Specificity values tend to be lower, often between 50 and 70%, indicating a moderate rate of false positive results. For example, if Patient Global Assessment is used to identify rheumatoid arthritis flares, a sensitivity of 80% suggests that 80 out of 100 patients with active disease will be correctly identified. Conversely, a specificity of 60% implies that 40 out of 100 patients without active disease might be incorrectly classified as having a flare. These metrics highlight the balance between detecting true disease activity and avoiding misclassification in clinical practice. The Patient Global Assessment was initially introduced in the context of rheumatology to capture a patient's overall perception of disease activity. Early validation studies conducted in the 1970s and 80s demonstrated its reliability and sensitivity to change, making it a valuable tool in both clinical and research settings. scientific investigations by Felsen and colleagues established significant correlations between patient global assessment scores and clinical measures such as joint counts, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, and radiographic progression, validating its use as a complementary outcome measure. Further research by Welsing and colleagues showed that the patient global assessment possesses strong construct validity and responsiveness in rheumatoid arthritis populations. Meta-analyses have since affirmed its predictive value for long-term outcomes, including functional disability and treatment response. Psychometric evaluations consistently indicate that the patient global assessment is a reproducible and valid method to assess disease impact from the patient's perspective, supported by robust evidence across various inflammatory arthritis cohorts and languages, enhancing its applicability and cross-cultural relevance. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.